Okay, due to popular demand, due to all the questions that I've received pertaining to the video that I did on clipper guards, I went ahead, I redid the video, and now along with the guard guide number, there's also going to be the specific inches and millimeter measurements for each guard that I use to help answer those questions. Now, speaking of questions, there were also a lot of questions pertaining to the guide or the headband that I used on my head, in addition to the specific clippers that I use, and then also the beard wash and conditioner that I use. So all that information will be linked in the description box below for those of you that had questions pertaining those things. And one more thing before we get into this clipper guard guide, I just want to say thank you. Thank you to all of those that have left the positive feedback both on here and Instagram. I just want to go ahead and just send those positive vibes right back at you. And it's just, I'm grateful to be able to help out in the given situation that we have. I know it's not a lot, but I mean, it's a little, I guess. Anyways, I'm rambling. Let's get into this clipper guard guide. That was the number 2 at its longest length. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna go ahead, I'm not gonna do the 360. I'm gonna bring the lever down to a 2 at its shortest length, and then we'll stop here. Okay, there we have it. This is a number 2 at its shortest length. I don't think it looks too bad. Here's a full 360. And I have a 1 guard on top. I have a half guard around the side. And I did a really quick cleanup in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and do a 360 for you so you can get an overall look of what we did. Okay, so I hope that helped clear up any questions that you had pertaining to the clipper numbers and measurements. Now, if you know anyone else that has questions pertaining to clipper guards and the measurements, feel free to share this video. I mean, I'd be stoked if you did. Anyways, as always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe if you aren't already. Until next time, peace, we out.